When I'm staking a point, if I open up the observations toolbar, I'll see as I tap through it that it gives me additional information. So currently it's giving me the delta east, delta north, and delta elevation to get from my current location to my staking destination. And as I move closer, I'll see that that updates itself automatically. And now that I'm close enough, I can see that it even highlights in green when we're within the staking requirements. I can also tap through this same screen and I can see a display that gives me the direction and the distance to my staking point. I can see my current latitude, longitude, my current map projection coordinates, and more information about my GPS sensor quality and GPS sensor speed and path across the ground. If I want to see this in full screen, notice how over on the right I've got two other options. So I can pick on the full screen button, and there I've got staking directions in full screen. Or here's a half screen option that gives you a different way of viewing things. Thanks for your interest.